Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to Garnett-Tools. So I said before that I would update my channel with a toolbox tour of this rear box here. I already went through that one. That one's more of just my hand tools and such. This box here is pretty much anything that wouldn't fit in that box. So I'm going to walk you through a tour of it, alright? It's going to be a lot faster than that one there, but we're going to get through this. Starting it all off, it's a Craftsman box, pretty much a general Craftsman box you can get at any Sears you walk into. You can find this box. I went a little crazy. I tried to grind it down and paint it liner, but they threw me in this van before I was able to finish the job, so that's why it's like sort of half painted. Looks real shitty. But I'm gonna start it off with these two drawers because it's the most interesting stuff. So starting it off, okay, this is my Cornwell blowgun. Pretty standard. This is actually a gun case which I modified to put tools in, and it is my puller set. Back here is something I've yet to use. I've had it for I think 8 months, but it's the gear wrench pass-through set. I've not used it a single time, but it's a pretty nice feeling set. This is like a thermoplastic. I like it. This is my impact driver from Harbor Freight. Hate this thing because if you can see, is it that one? No, it's these two over here. Nope, I was wrong again. These two, the ones I used, got messed up already. If you can see, it's pretty bent, right? Pretty chewed up. As well as this one's pretty chewed up. So that's why I generally don't use that thing. It stays back here. If I come across an emergency, I guess I'll use it. But whatever. This is my Mighty Vac. Let's see what it is. A MV5530 compression test kit. Now, when it comes to no starts, I pretty much use this every time I get there. When it comes to a no start. Yeah, I like the kit. Comes with instructions and even gives you extra O-rings and valves and such. So I like it. It serves me well. And I find that Mighty Vac's a pretty good company. Okay, getting down to the last bit here. This is my, I think this is like a Napa or AutoZone kit, brake flaring tool. Not too much to see there. This is drill bits, Milwaukee. These are replacements, but those are the originals. These are my feeler gauges. I have one flat set and a sort of like a bent set. That's for ignition, lifters and such. So I have that and straight pair. Over here is my Starrett punches along with my other punches. And I like these things a lot. Don't really know country of origin on them, but they are pretty cool. If Starrett actually makes them, that would be awesome, but I don't believe that's the case. This is, let's see if the brand name's on here anywhere. I don't think so. But, the brand name's on the bits. This is a Renstieg. I think that's how you say their name. Not really sure if that's the correct. There it is. Renstieg screw extractor set. Now it is made in Germany, and this ran me about, I think, not quite sure. I think it was like 20 bucks. Might have been 40. Moving on. Nothing really important to see here. This is a bit set. As you can see from being back here, the DeWalt bits got pretty corroded. So I went out and got another set. Now I'm waiting to see if that same thing happens to them. So that's that drawer. I'm gonna just close it up, move to the next one. Okay, so these are my booster jumper cables. Nothing real important there. This is my Mighty Vac MV8000 automotive test and bleed kit. This is 40 bucks pretty much anywhere you can find it. The Craftsman version is the same thing. I believe you can even get this in Harbor Freight, and it's a pretty good vacuum bleeder kit. Moving on, this is my Innova 5568 test light. And as far as test lights go, this is a pretty good one. I think it was only like 150 bucks. And it's got the light up screen. It's got a bunch of functions that pretty much all of the professional timing lights come to have nowadays. It even swivels. So I like it. It's pretty snazzy, if I do say so myself. Moving on, this I believe is my stethoscope. Huh, it was already open. Give me a second here. Yeah, it's my Lyle stethoscope. That comes in handy to have out here on the road. The last actual thing in this drawer is going to be my spare, my extra arrow wrenches. And then that's about it. That's all I have back here, really. The remaining drawers, let me get situated here really quickly. The remaining drawers are just like general use type stuff. Stuff I need, but not necessarily tools. And I'll walk you through the rest of it. So that was those two drawers. I mean, the remaining is just junk pretty much. One of them was actually a junk drawer, but this one is PPE. A couple extra things in there. Nothing too special. My torch. That's where I keep my torch. Moving on, this is my junk drawer. Pretty much anything that's junk goes here. I mean, I guess this should be somewhere else, huh? But oh well, my oil, my little oil can, spare test brake, not brake, seat sensor, rivets. Yeah, just junk pretty much. This is all my pretty much consumables, but then I have these O-ring kits, the flat face O-ring kit, and then a standard O-ring kit. So yeah, pretty much not anything real important in here. I have grinding discs and pretty much anything that goes, any sanders, grinders, stuff of that nature goes in this drawer. And finally, ooh, getting stuck. Alright, yeah. This is my electrical drawer. This is a proprietary diagnostic cable for my brand. This is pretty much all my electric stuff. I have a stack-on kit here with pop rivets in it. a butane torch, and my DVOM or multimeter here. You can see right through this. It's got my test light, a remote starter, extra test leads. This is for a bottle of seafoam. You put the end on there and you can squirt it through the tube into a cylinder. These are jumper cables, alligator clips, solder, desolder, soldering iron attachment for that thing, and some T-pins. So that's pretty much the toolbox back here. So I will be getting more stuff for this toolbox, obviously, and that toolbox. So stay tuned to the channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Have a good one.